BTech second year civil engineering from Tulsiram Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. So I am taking topic of fluid mechanics. The topic name is properties of fluid. So the first property is mass density. Mass density is defined as the ratio of the mass of the fluid to the volume of the fluid. So the formula is derived from its definition, that is mass density is equal to mass of the fluid to the volume of the fluid. It is denoted by a Greek symbol rho. The unit of mass density is kg per meter cube. Mass density is also known as simple density or density. So the second property is weight density. Weight density is defined as the weight of the fluid to the volume of the fluid. So the weight density is denoted by small w. Then the unit of the weight density is Newton per meter cube. Then third property is the specific gravity. Specific gravity is the ratio of mass density of the fluid to the mass density of the standard fluid. Standard fluid is nothing but the water. So the mass density of the water is 1000 kg per meter cube. It also defined in the form of weight density. Specific gravity is defined as the ratio of the weight density of the fluid to the weight density of the standard fluid. Weight density of the standard fluid is 9810 Newton per meter cube. That means fourth property is the specific volume. Specific volume is nothing but the reciprocal of the mass density. So it can be also written as 1 upon rho. So the next is the formula of the specific volume is the volume of the fluid to the mass of the fluid. Then as per the formula, its unit is meter cube per kg. So fifth property is viscosity, which can be also called as dynamic viscosity or absolute viscosity. It is the property of the fluid which offers the resistance to the movement of the fluid of one layer to the adjacent layer of the another fluid. It means we can consider the example for the understanding viscosity. Let's consider two fluid, which are the oil and another is water. Density of the oil is greater than that means higher than the water. So we can say that movement of oil is slow as compared to the water. So we can say that oil have a more viscosity than the water. From the conclusion of these two examples, we can say that the fluid which can move slow, that means it have the more viscosity. The fluid which cannot be move fastly, so such a fluid, that means water, have a less viscosity as compared to the oil. So dynamic viscosity is denoted by Greek symbol mu. So there is a formula for the dynamic viscosity, that is mu is equals to tau upon du by dx. Tau is the coefficient of viscosity, then mu, as I said, dynamic viscosity, then the du by dy is the shear. So the sixth property is the kinematic viscosity, which is denoted by a Greek symbol mu. So the definition of the kinematic viscosity is the ratio of the dynamic viscosity to the density of the fluid. From the definition of the kinematic viscosity, we can derive this formula, that is kinematic viscosity is equals to mu upon rho. So the mu is nothing but the dynamic viscosity and rho is the density of the fluid. From the formula, the unit of the kinematic viscosity is meter square per second. So the last and seventh property of the fluid is Newton's law of viscosity. So the law is stated that the shear stress on a fluid element layer is directly proportional to the rate of the shear stress. That means shear stress is directly proportional to the shear strength. Shear stress tau is directly proportional to the du by dy. So then we know that. So in any law we compare two element. So we have to put there any proportionality constant. So here proportionality constant is mu. Tau is directly proportional to the du by dy, then tau is equal to mu into du by dy. Tau is nothing but the shear stress, then du by dy is shear strain, and mu is the proportionality constant or coefficient of viscosity. So here two noted points that are the Newton's law of viscosity always fluid, such a fluid is known as Newtonian fluid, and those fluid which do not obey the Newton's law of viscosity, they are called as non-Newtonian fluid. So these are the 7 properties of the fluid we have studied. Thank you.